Hi, I'm Rachel Meyer, and I'm going to be talking about my baking soda and vinegar rocket experiment. So the materials I used for this experiment, I had 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 cups of vinegar, 2-liter plastic bottle, duct tape, 3 pencils, 1 paper towel, 1 cork top, and 1 pair of safety goggles. Preparation. Put on your safety goggles, cut a paper towel square in half, pour 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the middle of the paper towel. Roll the paper towel to enclose the baking soda. Twist both ends of the paper towel so none of the baking soda falls out. Turn the bottle upside down so the opening of the bottle faces up. Pour appropriately 2 cups of vinegar into the bottle. Carefully put the baking soda packet into the bottle. Quickly put a cork in the mouth of the bottle. Turn the bottle upside down and place it on the ground and quickly step back several feet from the bottle. Here's a video of me completing the experiment. Okay. End results, the vinegar and baking soda react with each other in an acid-base reaction. The acid-base reaction forms CO2 in gas form. CO2 gas builds pressure inside the bottle, pushes the cork out of the bottle, and causes the bottle to fly up into the air. Acetic acid, vinegar, is a weak acid. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, is a base. Here is the equation. You can see the vinegar and the baking soda react to form sodium acetate, carbon dioxide, and water. Sodium ions and baking soda react with the acetate in the vinegar. Hydrogen ions and vinegar react with the bicarbonate in the baking soda, and the acid-base chemical reaction forms CO2 gas and water. Sodium ions pair with acetate in vinegar and form sodium acetate. Hydrogen ions pair with bicarbonate in baking soda to form carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is unstable and quickly forms carbon dioxide and water. It is the baking soda that transforms into water and carbon dioxide gas. Because carbonic acid is very unstable that it quickly forms carbon dioxide and water, the net ionic equation for vinegar and baking soda is this on the screen. Because gases form during the acid-base reaction, it is called a gas evolution reaction. This is why bubbles form and fizzle inside the bottle. It's also called a neutralization reaction, since the acid and base neutralize each other to make water. In conclusion, baking soda is a base and vinegar is an acid. During the reaction, the acid, gets a sodium ion from the baking soda base. The baking soda, which is the base, accepts a proton H+ from the vinegar, which is the acid. The reaction causes baking soda to form into water and carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide is a gas that bubbles and expands, which causes the rocket to lift off. This concludes my vinegar and baking soda rocket presentation. Thank you for watching.